Alright, suppose we have just finished editing our own draft, and it's time for us to check all the edited drafts by our group members. Okay, suppose we agree that here at the top we should use non-restrictive adjective clause. We can see to use that we need the comma, so we need to accept. Now it's time for us to accept the changes. To accept the changes, we just right click next to that. Okay, so now we want to accept. Accept means we agree that we should add the comma after urbanization. Yeah? So right click and then look. There are a lot of options. Please choose this one, accept. Okay, accept. We click on that, accept. See, after we accept, the color is gone. Okay. Next, I want to accept this one as well. This group member suggests deleting widgets. So right click, accept. See, gone. Because it is to be removed, that's why it's gone. So the same for the second comma. Because we accept the first comma, we have to accept the second. Accept. See, that very easy. Just right click on the right place and click accept. Okay, right click next to this, accept. We need to remove age, right? So the classmate I suggest removing that. You can see this cross out, so right click. It doesn't show because we have the grammatical error here, spelling error. So right click on this first and ignore once. Now we can right click on this. We have the option to accept. Actually, at the top you can also click on accept when you place your cursor somewhere. Accept button should try to accept the next chain, but this is a bit we may not see what Microsoft Word has accepted. That's why I suggest we just right click and accept. It's a bit hard at first, but it is more convenient, Right click, accept. We also accept the deletion here. Right click, accept. We also accept the second comma. Okay. Everyone look at the line on the left that shows the changes. And now no more changes. That's why the line is so short. When you see the line, this means that there must be at least one change. And that's right. Look at here. See? This one is deleted. Suppose we don't agree. If we don't agree with this classmate, we don't agree that we should delete this one. So if we don't agree, do the same, right click. If we don't agree, don't click accept. We click on reject. Okay. If we don't agree, click on reject. If we agree, click on accept. In this case, we don't agree, so we click on reject. And now no more changes in this line. That's why we don't see the line on the left. So do the same all the way to the end of the file. Alright, I hope you will try to use this function, the track changes. Everyone, one last thing, don't forget to turn that off. And so far, when you accept or reject, Microsoft Word does not record any more changes. But if you want to edit something, you want to replace is to refer to. See, when you type something more, you delete something as well. Microsoft Word still track your changes. So if you are happy with everything, you don't want Microsoft Word to track your changes, you might turn that off. Let me undo that, and I don't want, this is the final reading, and I don't want Microsoft Word to track my changes. I just turn that off, and now after I read the revised draft again, I just want to replace is to refer to, and because I turn off track changes, when I type refers to, Microsoft Word doesn't show me the change. Well, don't worry, we can do like this for the very last revision stage. Okay, hopefully you will try to use the track changes. Everyone in year 3, you will have to use track changes because your lecturer will provide comments using track changes. So learn how to use that from now on. Hope you enjoy learning. Good luck.